Okay, I'm doing a really important video here. I'm showing you a bunch of equipment that I brought with me. I mean, I lugged all this stuff across the world, and I protect it with my life because this is how I get something done. This is how I can do work. And even the minimum of it is to just document my life. This is just some oatmeal I have with bananas in it, and I've been eating a lot of this lately. And I'm just gonna let it cool down. That what you see there is chocolate, raw chocolate. I think you'll find more. Where is it? I put a big chunk of raw chocolate in here, so it didn't mix in. That's raw chocolate right there. That's raw chocolate. And this is the silver spoon that I brought with me, the only one. But it's very important. So what I wanted to do is show you something that we're going to have to figure out, and that's this. Beforehand, I want to show you, this is the new website. It's called South American, not South African, but South American. So essentially, like you have me here. Where's my? I had like a really big here. Let's go to this one because we'll just play this in the background so you can see me. I'm not filming myself today. Okay, there I am. Is it going to show the closed captions? Closed captions. Yeah, it's going to show it. See, I like when it does the captions. All right, now let's get into the meat of this, or the fruit of this video. I got these. I do not know what they're talking about on the little radio here. I'll just play this in the background. So we got like a lot of activity going on, so you can watch this a few times and catch anything that you missed. You might have missed it the first time around. So what is this? What is this? I don't know. I don't know what this is. I bought it. I didn't ask anybody. I just found it at the fruit and vegetable market, the produce stand. Well, it's a market. It's kind of medium-sized market. It's not huge. So they had these, and it looks like a tomato, but I don't know. I don't think it's a tomato. It has a really, it's pretty hard on the outside. If anybody can tell me what this is, I don't think it's a tomato. Let's cut it. Let's find out what happens when we cut it. Let's just cut this thing. This is kind of hard to do when I'm holding the camera, but I should be able to manage it. I'm holding the This hand is holding the camera and the fruit, and then I'm going to use this hand. Hopefully, I don't cut my other hand. All right. So this is my first time cutting into one of these. I don't know what it's going to look like. Ooh. Ooh, what is that? What is that? This is the unboxing. It's the unveiling of the mystery fruit. Well, of course, why I'm doing this, anyhow, why I'm doing this is because I have to know how to feed the tribe when they get here. It looks like it's related to a tomato, but I don't know. I don't want to say it's a tomato variety. I just don't. Let's taste it. Let's taste it. Yeah, taste it. Taste it somehow. Somehow I'm going to do this while I'm holding the camera. Sorry, my nails are a little dirty. I didn't take a shower yet today. How can I do this? I didn't bring I didn't bring my camera stand. And I can't bring everything with me. The kitchen sink too. Let's get a smaller slice of this character here. Specimen. A slice of it. The rind, the skin, it's very tough. It's not what you would think of a tomato at all. It's too tough on the outside. Let me taste it. Oh, it tastes more like a tomato, but mm, it's not a tomato, but it tastes something like a tomato. Look at the seeds. The seeds are actually no, that's like pithy. Look at the seeds. It looks very much like tomato seeds. I don't know. I just don't know what to tell you. Can you tell me what this is? I mean, look at this thick stem on it. Tomatoes are not like that. I think it's in the nightshade family, though. I think it's related to nightshade and it's related to tomatoes. Let's find out.